Okay, we're heading towards plane now. These are our pilots. Very experienced. Very nice. Very nice. This is our airport. This is our plane. Go up front.
All the way up front?
Yeah. We're gonna be right behind the pilots. Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it matter where we sit?
Anywhere you want. You behind me if you want.
This is good because I can see in the cockpit and I can see on the
Sure.
Hey, Chrissy.
Okay, welcome aboard flight number 210 with service to Tortuguero. Time en route's gonna be 28 minutes. About this aircraft, we have 6 emergency exits, 2 in the last row, 2 in the second row, and 2 out front, which are the pilot doors. Additional safety information can be found in a zip pocket in front of you, together with the Landis magazine. Once again, welcome aboard, and we hope you enjoy the flight.
Thank you.
About the weather getting there, it's raining.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, and looks like it's a thunderstorm nearby.
No.
So, we do this every day, so don't worry about it. You know, we're gonna try to land there, but if not, we're gonna come back to Pavas, right? But we just give you, we give you a heads up.
Okay.
On the way, right?
Okay. No problem. Okay.